In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icon and text in Notion. If you've ever wanted your notes, tasks, or project plans to feel a little more visual and easier to scan, this is a quick technique you'll use all the time. We're keeping it simple and sticking to the built-in way. Notion lets you insert icons or emojis right inside your sentences. Start by placing your cursor exactly where you want the icon to appear, whether that's in a sentence, a checklist, a heading, or even inside a database cell. Now, type a colon, then immediately start typing the name of the icon or emoji you want. For example, you might type :*, :rocket, or :smile. The key is that the colon comes first, and there's no space between the colon and the word you're typing. As soon as you start typing after the colon, a small dialog box will pop up near your cursor. This box shows you the closest matches based on what you've typed so far. It updates in real time, so each additional letter narrows down the results. You'll see commonly used options appear at the top, and you can refine by continuing to type a more specific word. If you type :fire, you'll see flames. If you type :check, you'll see check marks. Keep typing until the exact icon or emoji you want shows up. When you see the one you like, go ahead and select it. You can click it with your mouse or use your keyboard to highlight it and press Enter to confirm. The icon will drop right into your text in line with the words around it. From here, you can keep typing as normal. If you need spacing, just add a space before or after it like you would with any character. And if you change your mind, you can delete it, just like regular text, and try another one. If the dialog box doesn't appear, double-check that you typed the colon and then started typing a word with no space after the colon. Also make sure your cursor is inside a standard text area. You'll find that short, clear keywords work best. Words like star, check, fire, book, bell, or calendar tend to pull up recognizable options quickly. If you're not sure of the exact name, try a related word and watch the suggestions adjust. That's it. Type a colon, start typing the name, choose from the suggestions, and your icon appears right where you want it. Simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful for keeping your pages clean and visually scannable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making your Notion text pop.